Hi everybody, my name is Nikki.
And my name's Guy, and we are part of Beggars Belief Collective.
Today we ran our first Zoom online workshop.
We did, and that is for our project A Call to Legs, our tap dance art project, which is happening over the next couple of weeks.
Don't worry if you weren't able to attend that. It was lovely to get to know a few people today, but tomorrow is going to be our first session where we actually make tap shoes and learn a few tap moves.
We know that there are some of you who have got the art packs and your white dance board, and we want you to join in if you can. So we might have to reschedule or run 2 sessions a day if that's going to be more convenient for you. But also we are going to upload regularly to this YouTube channel tutorials on tap dance steps, on making the shoes, on doing the art decoration of the tap dance squares. So we will regularly upload to this space here that you're watching this on.
Yeah, so don't worry if you can't attend every single session basically.
Okay, that's all for now. We'll see you tomorrow.
1 o'clock.
Bye.
Bye.